He said, be like-minded with Christ. But you don't have the mind of God. You can't search his understanding. So the things that he wants to give to you, the path that he wants to take you down, you have no idea. The things that he is ready to just pour out over you. If you think not, don't get thrown off course. Don't allow the enemy to distract you with this and that and all of the different things of this world. I'm not talking about sin. I'm talking about those things that might just sway you to the left or right, that might cause you to question God. Because even when you pray, it says believing you'll receive. So what happens in that one moment when you don't believe?
That's right.
Oh God.
God help
The Bible says, do not waver. Do not be like a man that's tossed to and fro.
That's right.
A double-minded man is unstable in all his ways. Don't waver. And he goes on to say, you should never expect anything from God like that. I didn't say it, the Bible said it. Never expect to receive anything from God like that. When you waver, when you say, God, I trust you with.
Oh, no.
Well, no, God, no, God, I trust you. I believe you, God, but it looked like. Well, God, no, but I trust you, but here come November 1st. What do? You have a deadline by November 1st, and you're like, God, okay.
29.
Get a little close. It's November 1st. You know, they put up Halloween decorations, and you know, that's how I know. They taking them down, they putting up turkeys. God, I don't know. I need it. And November 1st comes, and it goes, and you break, and you say, but God, I said November 1st. You told me to trust you, and I trusted you. You told me to pray, and I prayed, and I believed, and I worshiped. I went to church. I read my Bible. The Bible told me to just pray and believe, and that I would receive.
Yes.
What happened?
What happened?
God didn't say anything. He just said, I told you to be patient.